Hi, I'm attorney Julie Hauf. Due to COVID, I'm not able to come out and teach the classes all around the state of Florida and around the country that I love to do about medical billing and coding and how, as an insurance adjuster or a defense attorney, you can get your very high surgical bills down. So we're going to start doing this series of videos where we can do the same thing. Today we're going to talk about facet injections. Facet injections can happen in the neck or back, and they're meant to be either a temporary pain block for diagnostic purposes or a more permanent attempt at pain relief for a patient that's having symptoms in that area. Few things that we need to look out for, and we're guided by that in the American Medical Association's CPT coding and the guidance that comes along with that coding. First of all, you need to know how many levels are being done that day and compare that to your surgical note and to see how many levels are included on your bill. Let's say that a patient had something at 4 levels. You only should be seeing CPT codes for 3 of those levels. Here's why. That CPT code for the 3rd level, so for an example, 64495 in a lumbar facet injection, that means it's the 3rd and any additional levels. That code can only be billed once a day. If you see that code more than once, take it right off your bill. Other things that shouldn't be on the bill, both for your surgeon or the surgical facility, is your imaging guidance. Whether that's being done by fluoroscopy or CT, that code, might be 77003, is included within the original code for that facet injection. So it shouldn't be separately billed or unbundled. Finally, one of the things you want to take a look for is whether or not a patient's having procedures bilaterally, both on the right and left at the same time or at different times. In reviewing a lot of files over the years, we've seen several examples of patients going in and having the procedure done on one side, coming back in about a week or 2 later, having procedure done on the other side. Look to make sure that there's a medically necessary reason for it being done at 2 different times. Typically, when the right and left side is done at the same time, that means that second side is billed at half the rate of the first. So if you don't have a medically necessary reason to have that done in separate days, you might be seeing an inflated bill and inflated charges in your litigation. So that's facet injections, our tips and tricks for the day. We're going to keep doing these videos, so please let us know what areas you'd like to hear about and give us a call to discuss anything, to talk about what files you may have, what questions you may have, what things you should be sending out in a subpoena, what you should be asking providers and billing reps in depositions. We're here, we're happy to help in our offices around Florida, and you can always reach me on my cell. That's 239-218-3297. I sit here in Vero Beach. We also have offices in South Florida, Southwest Florida, and Central Florida. Thanks so much, and we'll see you soon. Stay safe. Bye.